I've got 3 tips to keep your hanging baskets looking fantastic all season long. First is watering. This is super crucial because when a plant has foliage that's this big and a pot that's this small, all of these leaves are going to pull the water out of this soil extremely quickly, especially if it's windy or dry or sunny. And so you really need to make sure that these are watered probably every day. You can't overwater a hanging basket as long as it is warm outside. Next is fertilize. So I've got a couple of different products here that we use in hanging baskets. This is a Start and Grow granular, this is Color Max, and they're both really good granular fertilizers. The advantage to these is they're gonna last quite a lot longer in the pot than a liquid fertilizer. So with this, I just take a pinch of it about once a month and just scatter it, a heavy pinch, down into the basket. Make sure you get all those granules off of the foliage because they can burn the foliage, and then right after you fertilize, water it. The reason why fertilization is so crucial is because these plants that are annuals are very heavy feeders, and because there's a limited amount of soil there, they can't reach out and find nutrients in other places. You have to provide the nutrients for them. And the last tip is don't be afraid to trim these. If they are getting long on one side or looking uneven or just kind of rangy looking, you can take scissors to them and just cut them right back, and that'll make them a little more uniform and full looking. So water, fertilize, and trim, and you will have fantastic hanging baskets.